Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Office District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoi District daga jinga trelang bat ka Office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi haga khandai tu uyayong ara cara punriu Pyllait Paidbah ke kali ambulance belano Synñiang daga National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Ya ga kali ambulance Pyllait Paidbah du Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal ringkat gajing sakilang jong District Medical and Health Officer Dr. A.R. Marak bat kinong mi kamat na ke Nhidcl.
Today we had the handing over ceremony of the ambulance which has been donated by, sponsored by Nhidcl to district administration under their CSR project. We had submitted a request to Nhidcl that they are carrying out so much of developmental work to support district administration in form of CSR, since it's an aspirational district as well. They have very generously agreed to donate one ambulance for now. We have also requested them to keep supporting us with different sorts of infrastructure, like the way they have supported in form of this ambulance. Today we have handed it over to DMHO, and this will be placed at DMHO office, but ultimately it will be handed over to Badapani State Dispensary once the renovation works are completed.